Hey guys, welcome to Protocol Point. Okay, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to install MongoDB on our Ubuntu Amazon server and learn how to connect to it by making use of MongoDB Compose. Okay, so let's begin. So here I have my Amazon server. Okay, so you can see it is been running. So let's get started by installing MongoDB to this server. Okay, so to get connected to this server, I am making use of WinSCP that I have used in my previous tutorials. If you have watched those tutorials, okay. So let me get connected first. Okay, so I am just connected to my server by making use of WinSCP. So here I need to open a terminal to run some command, that is to install MongoDB on my server. So you can see here I have a putty session. So just open, so it will just connect with our server Ubuntu server terminal. Okay, so I'll just minimize it. Okay, so this is my terminal, and here I have added a document file, that is txt file, where I have added all the commands that I need to install MongoDB on a server. So I will just add it one by one to install MongoDB. So these are the commands that you need to add to run on your server side. Okay, so these are the mandatory steps. Okay, so update your Ubuntu and then run upgrade. Okay, so upgrade may take some time, so I will just fast forward the video. Okay, so upgrade was done. So in above steps we have just downloaded all the required files from a server and into our Ubuntu system. So to install MongoDB, you just need to run this command, that is sudo apt install y mongodb org. Okay, so just enter it. Okay, so it will take some disk space of your server, so it may take about 400 MB. Sorry. Okay, so after that run this 5 commands. So there are 6 commands, so just copy it and paste it over here, enter, and then we have successfully installed MongoDB on our server, Ubuntu server. Okay, so let's start our MongoDB. So to start, just run this command, that is sudo systemctl start mongod. So just start it. Okay, so after running this command, if you see any error, you just need to run this command. Okay, and if you do not see any error after running this start command, so there is no need to use this. So just go to this status and just run this. So let's check. Yeah, so our MongoDB is running now. Okay, so you can just open your MongoDB shell by using this command, that is mongo shell. Okay, so this is taking time because I am making use of Amazon free tier package, so the server speed will be very less responsive. Okay, so you can just run your MongoDB commands over here, such as use database, use db, something like this. Okay, so this tutorial we will not in by using this how to use this MongoDB commands and everything. So now we have just installed our MongoDB on our Ubuntu server. Okay, so let me exit. Okay, so now to get connected to your server MongoDB database, you need to install MongoDB in your system. So just install MongoDB. Okay, so let me show you from where to download the MongoDB. So just search for MongoDB download. Okay, so just go to this community download and over here community service server, and from here just select Windows or your operating system that you want, and the package should be MSI, and just download it and install this MongoDB. Okay, so this one software you need to install, and the second thing is you just need to install MongoDB Compose. Go over here, so you can see MongoDB Compose is over here. So just open it, and over here select the stable version, and the platform should be Windows 64-bit. Please note that don't download this zip file. So instead select MSI and download it and install it. Okay, so I have already done that. So I will just open my MongoDB Compose. Okay, so our MongoDB Compose is opened. Okay, so here you just need to get connected to your server. So you can just enter your server IP address over here with MongoDB. Okay, so now let me show you how to get connected to our local database, that is our system local database. Okay, so for that, here just type MongoDB local host, and the port will be 27017. Okay, so this will get connected to your local database. Okay, so this is our local database, not the server database. Okay, so now if I want to connect to my server MongoDB, and if I use this MongoDB, okay, so MongoDB with my port and port IP address and the port, and if I try to connect, it will not connect, because I need to make my database, my server database, globally accessible anywhere by making use of Compose. Okay, so it will not get connected. So let's check out what the configuration needed to be done. So for that, first of all, let's go to our terminal. Okay, so I'll just start the terminal again. Okay, so this is my server. By making use of WinSCP, I have connected. Okay, and my file, that is this one. Okay, so you can see over here, these are the changes that needed to be done. So just run this command, that is sudo vm etc mongodb.configuration. So you just need to open this configuration file and update this port. So bind IP port, you just need to update it to 0000. Okay, so you can see over here, the port for now is 207.0.0.1. okay, so you just need to update it. So to update, just press Shift I to come to, so here Shift I to come to insertion mode. Okay, so now you can edit 0.0.0.0. okay, so just update this bind IP to this one. Okay, and then just press escape to escape from insertion mode. Escape :WQ. So this means you are going to save this file and quit this file, means come back. Okay, so we have done that. Okay, so now just restart your server. So to restart your server, you just need to sudo service mongodb restart. Enter. My MongoDB got restarted. Okay, so this is the first step. We need to change this file config to this IP, that is 0, means it is global. Okay, so now just go to your Amazon instance. Okay, so here just go to this instance ID, then security. Okay, so you can see over here I have inbound rule that is allowed for this port, that is 22. Okay, so you just need to add one more port for MongoDB, that is this port. Okay, so for that, what I will do is I will just go to security group. Okay, edit bound rule, and here add a rule, and from this rule just select all TCP. Okay, so after selecting all TCP, you can see the port range is from 0 to 65,535. Okay, and the source here select as anywhere IP version 4. Okay, and just do it and save the rule. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so now let's go to our MongoDB Compose and we will just try to connect to this IP address. That is MongoDB. So this is my server IP address and MongoDB port. Okay, connect. Okay, so as you saw, I am connected to my server database by using MongoDB Compose. Okay, so let me add some data into our database on my server just for a demonstration purpose. So for that, here Mongo cell. Okay, so I will just create a so first of all, let me clear screen. Okay, so you can see use database. I will just name it as a DB. So this is my name. Okay, so I'm switched to this database. Okay, so first of all, I will just enter some data over here. So here I will just run some MongoDB commands. MongoDB users dot insert 1. Okay, so I will just insert my name. Okay, enter. Okay, so this data got inserted into my database. So let me check in my Compose. So I will just refresh. So you can see data got inserted in my server side database. Okay, so even if I insert from here, it will work. Okay, so let me do that. So use result database. Okay, from here I will just insert a data and show you users dot insert 1. Okay, so I will just insert another name. So let me name as okay, insert. So data got inserted. Refresh. So you can see data got inserted over here. So let me fetch the same data over here. Okay, so to fetch the data, find db dot find db users dot find. So you can see this is my data in this user table, that is collection. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Hope you got the concept of how to get connected to your server database by making use of MongoDB Compose. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Protocode as Point. Thank you.